Hi guys, in this video I just wanted to show you a little bit about how we can do some quick editing in Riverside, the software that we use for podcasts, for live streaming. When you've done a recording, it will then have your recording there, you can download that, but it also automatically clips up smaller pieces for you that you can use on your socials. You can use them in Reels, in YouTube Shorts, TikTok videos, nice and short things that you can use to then promote the main video. So I want to share with you my screen and show you what this issue is, because when it clips it, if you've been sharing your screen, sometimes it will just show the screen and not you, or you and not the screen. Neither one is very good because you're putting it into a portrait mode. So let me share my screen with you and you can see what I mean. So here we go. So we're in Riverside, and this is one I did earlier. So I want myself and the rest of the screen here. This is one that hasn't been used yet. So all that is doing is talking about the automated commission machine. Is it legit or a scam? But you can't see me. There's no me there. And we've got a lot of space. It's just taken one element of it and has put it to the side. So let's just pause that. We're going to go into edit. And this is going to bring it up. And we can see a few things here. That is, we can see our transcript there, which is good. We can see our elements here, and it looks like they're all cut up. So we've made some cuttings. You can see here it's different, but the Nick Wood and Screen Share 2 is all the same. And the grid hasn't changed. So we want to go to up here, we want to go to layout. And there's the grid. The grid is going to go all the way across the thing. So we want to do this one. Let's go with that. Now, there's nothing there. Let's go to this one. Let's go find us come. Totally.
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
There we go. There I am. That's good. Cool. So now we just want to find. Let's double it up. There I am. We want to find the bottom element. There we go. There we go. So we've gone on to scene, layout. We pick this one and on this little button here, we were able to go and find this screen share. The not me. So there we go. So now that should work all the way through. Now, if I want to show a little bit more about the keywords itself, there you go. I'm just going to drag it slightly. That's perfect. Fantastic. Now, next thing we can do, come over here, add some captions. You know, pick the one you like the best. You've got lots of different ways we can do it. I'll just go to the top one, just click it, and then I'm going to move it up here. I'm going to make it a touch bigger. That hopefully will be good. It's in the center, so let's see how that works. Probably a little bit too big. Let's put it in the middle again. But what I'm trying to do is put it somewhere that you can read it. So that is it. So suddenly we've got myself in the picture, and we have the keyword research. We're going to come over here to export it. Let's say to download it. download the video. So it exports it and renders it first of all, and then it will automatically, once ready, it will download it. And that is how we do that. And we can do that for multiple little videos like that. So we just go in, change the layout, make sure we can find the right element that we need. It is that simple. And that's what I love about Riverside. It's a really easy piece of kit just to do the editing. It does it all for you. You can actually ask it to create more. You can go in, because its AI is quite perceptive, and you can actually tell it to do other little things. We can do thumbnails, all sorts. We can put B-roll in there if you want to as well. That's probably something you can do with your longer videos. So I'll do another video about how we can add B-roll as well. It is very, very good. And so yeah, if you'd like this video, please do subscribe, do share in your comments. What else would you like to see? Would you like to see another tutorial on Riverside, or would you like another editing piece of software? I use Riverside, I use OBS, and a few others, so there's always room for me to share some experience. So hope you like that, and whatever you're doing, have a great day. But do subscribe, do like, get notifications, then you'll see my next videos. And of course, do come over to my school community, the Digital Income Freedom Hub. I'll put the link in the description, maybe in the comments, and you can see exactly, you get more information, you get more courses, and it's just a great, cool place to hang out. Okay, till next time, take care.